Hey there, welcome. I'm going to do a quick breakdown for you of what we made for the month of June. And it was working very part-time. I figure we spent about 10 hours or less each week. That includes sourcing, listing, and shipping everything out. So we made a decent profit considering it's only 10 hours a week. So let's dive right in and let me break down those numbers for you.
Okay, here is our spreadsheet for the month of June. We like to track everything in Google Sheets to keep it all organized and easy to reference. So if you look in the far left-hand corner under June, you can see all of the items that we sold. That was a total of 58 items. I will break down the item costs for you. So in total, we spent $284.85 on our cost of goods, and that averaged out to just under $5 per item for the 58 items. This is why we love yard sale season so much. Usually our cost of goods is a lot less than if we are primarily sourcing in thrift stores, but that's what we have to do in the winter usually. So column C is our cost of shipping, D is profit minus fees and shipping, and then E is our net profit, and I will break that all down for you. So our total net profit for the month of June was $1,537.78. Our average profit per item was $26.50. And again, like I mentioned, that was working about 10 hours per week. So that's 40 hours for the month, which equates to us making $50 in net profit per day.
Okay, hopefully that was helpful for you, breaking down all the numbers. That's the one beauty of this business. You can scale it to whatever extent you want, and you can also scale it back if you need. For example, right now, we have a 5-month-old. The kids are out of school for summer break, so I don't have a lot of extra time. So I've scaled it back a little bit, and that's okay. In the fall, hopefully I'll be able to ramp it up a little bit more. So on average, we made about $50 a day. You know, it's not a ton of money, but for the amount of time we put in, it really was great. What would you do with an extra $50 a day? You could add it to a vacation fund and do a cool vacation every year, or put it toward paying off your car or your mortgage or whatever you want. So if you are on the fence about getting started on eBay, you can totally do this. Please like and subscribe. I have lots of helpful content to help you know how to get started and find success in this. Thanks so much for tuning in, and happy thrifting.